In this video, I will show how to create a pie chart in Microsoft Excel with percentage. Select your data, insert. Now click on this arrow. In this charts list, select pie. Here you can select 2D or 3D pie. Then click on OK. Here you can adjust the size, color, style, and name. Now click on Add Chart Element. Data Labels. Click on Data Callout. Do not see the percentage. Click on this plus icon. Go cursor to Data Labels. Select Data Callout. In the More options, make sure you select percentage. If value is selected, so select percentage, unselect value. In the numbers, same in the category. Select percentage. Decimal place, you can select 1 or 2. So this way you can create pie chart with percentage in Excel. Thanks for watching.